Hi everyone, my name is Shaku Obida. I'm here this beautiful morning to apologize due to not releasing our movie called Adim Life and Direct. Just as we promised, from the 1st of August, start dropping our movie called Adim Life and Direct in our YouTube channel to some few things that happened, so we couldn't make it and to drop our movie called Adim, the first episode of it. So we are apologizing and pleading, and I hope you guys are not mad at us for that. So we are hoping by the grace of God from Sunday we'll start dropping our movie called Adim Life and Direct in our YouTube channel. Just keep on subscribing and keep on following us to get the full updates and also the episode of the movie called Adim Life and Direct from this Sunday by 8 p.m. in our YouTube channel called John Hankali TV. So stay with us and keep on following us. John Hankali TV is yours and is ours. Stay tuned. God bless you.